let's discuss kitchen gadgets that will change the way you cook. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. The Joseph Measure Up Adjustable Measuring Spoon in blue. This little gadget is designed to make your cooking and baking much easier by offering adjustable measurements. With a simple slide of the handle, you can measure wet ingredients from 1 milliliter to 15 milliliters, or dry ingredients from 1/4 teaspoon up to 1 tablespoon. It's made from durable plastic and features easy-to-read indicators. Plus, it dismantles for easy cleaning and is dishwasher safe. But like all gadgets, it comes with its pros and cons. Pro side: adjustable design saves space and reduces clutter. Clear measurement markers make it easy to use. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Cons: the plastic build may feel less durable compared to metal alternatives. Sliding mechanism could get stuck over time if not cleaned properly. Next, AMZCHEF portable dog water bottle. A perfect companion for keeping your furry friend hydrated during walks, hikes, and road trips. This lightweight 12 ounces bottle in blue is designed with a built-in water bowl and features a one-hand operation so you can easily quench your pup's thirst without spilling a drop. It's made from durable, BPA-free plastic and even has a leak-proof lock to prevent messes. Plus, it's compact enough to fit into your travel gear without weighing you down. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight and portable, perfect for travel and walks. Leak-proof design prevents spills and keeps water clean. Easy one-hand operation with a built-in bowl for convenience. Cons: 12 ounces size may be too small for larger dogs or longer trips. The plastic material may feel less sturdy over time with heavy use. Next, OXO Good Grips Cheese Slicer, a must-have kitchen tool for anyone who loves cheese. This slicer features a sturdy zinc construction and a comfortable, soft grip handle that makes slicing through cheese a breeze. It comes with a tension wheel to tighten the wire when needed, and even includes a replacement stainless steel wire. Whether you want thick or thin slices, this slicer can handle it. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. ProZone adjustable tension wheel keeps the wire taut for precise slicing. Comes with a replacement wire, extending its usability. Sturdy zinc build and comfortable grip make it durable and easy to handle. Cons: may struggle with extra hard cheeses. The handle, while comfortable, may be too large for smaller hands. Next, Fina Mills award-winning battery-operated salt and pepper grinder set. This sleek gadget is designed for convenience and precision. Featuring ceramic grinding elements and 2 quick-change spice pods, you can easily swap between spices with one hand thanks to its patented pod system and adjust the coarseness with a simple twist of the knob. Plus, it's battery-operated with a built-in LED light to guide your seasoning even in dim kitchens. Now, let's check out the pros and cons of this innovative grinder. Pros: interchangeable spice pods keep flavors pure and allow for quick switching. Adjustable coarseness gives you control over your seasoning. Battery operated with an LED light for ease of use in any lighting. Cons: not suitable for fresh or wet herbs, limiting versatility. Requires 3 AA batteries, which are not included. Next, Relity stainless steel cat water fountain, designed to keep your furry friends hydrated and happy. This 3.2L 108 ounces fountain is perfect for both cats and small dogs, featuring durable 304 stainless steel that's not only scratch resistant but also safe for your pet. It has a super quiet 5V pump, a quadruple filtration system to ensure clean water, and a double water flow design that mimics natural streams, encouraging your pets to drink more. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this sleek pet fountain. Pros: a durable stainless steel design resists scratches and corrosion. Large 3.2L capacity means fewer refills, great for multi-day use. Quiet, low-power pump ensures a calm environment for pets. Quadruple filtration system keeps water clean and fresh. Cons: filters need regular replacement, which adds to maintenance. May not be suitable for larger dogs due to size limitations. Next, Luxrite Dusk to Dawn LED modern outdoor wall light, a versatile and energy-efficient lighting solution for your outdoor spaces. This sleek 12 inches wall sconce offers adjustable brightness, color temperature options from warm to cool white, and can illuminate both upwards and downwards. It's perfect for your porch, patio, garage, or any outdoor area. With its waterproof IP65 rating and a dusk-to-dawn sensor that automatically turns it on at night, this light is not only functional but also convenient. Let's check out the pros and cons. Pros: adjustable brightness and color temperature for customizable ambience. Dusk to dawn sensor for automatic energy-saving lighting. IP65 waterproof rating, ideal for outdoor use in any weather. Can illuminate both upwards and downwards for versatile lighting options. Cons: hardwired installation may require professional setup. May not be ideal for areas needing very focused or narrow lighting. Next, the AMZCHEF portable range hood. This mini space-saving exhaust fan is perfect for apartments, RVs, indoor BBQs, or even outdoor cooking. It features a 3-speed exhaust fan to tackle oil fumes, a large oil collection cup, and a detachable aluminum filter for easy cleaning. With its low noise level of 55 dB and no installation required, it's a great solution for keeping your cooking area fresh and smoke-free. Let's explore the pros and cons of this portable range hood. Pros: compact and portable design, perfect for small spaces like apartments and RVs. 3 adjustable fan speeds provide flexibility for different cooking modes. Easy to clean with a detachable filter and large oil collection cup. Cons: may not be as powerful as a full-sized range hood for larger cooking setups. The noise level, while relatively low, could still be noticeable in quiet spaces. Next, precision cooking with the Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide machine in Onyx Black. This immersion circulator packs a punch with 1100 watts of power, heating water quickly and quietly for perfectly cooked meals. It features intuitive dial controls, a wide temperature range from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, and a handy adjustable clip to attach to any pot. With even water circulation and a removable dishwasher-safe cover, this Sous Vide is perfect for locking in flavors and nutrients. Let's check out the pros and cons. Pros: powerful yet quiet, thanks to its brushless motor and 1100 watts. Intuitive dial controls make setting the temperature and timer easy. Dishwasher-safe cover for hassle-free cleaning. Cons: Sous Vide container is not included, requiring an extra purchase. The device may be bulkier compared to some more compact models. Next, Mana Pro Harris Farms Nurture Right Egg Incubator, the ultimate gadget for hatching chicks, ducklings, or pheasants. This incubator holds up to 22 chicken eggs with automatic egg turning and controls for temperature and humidity to give your eggs the perfect environment for hatching. The 360 degrees view lets you monitor every stage, and its airflow circulation ensures even heat distribution. Ready to hatch some chicks? Let's explore the pros and cons of this egg incubator. Pros: holds up to 22 chicken eggs, perfect for small-scale hatching projects. Automatic egg turning and humidity control ensure optimal conditions for hatching. 360 degrees visibility allows you to monitor eggs easily from any angle. Cons: designed for smaller batches, may not suit large-scale hatching needs. Requires regular monitoring for humidity adjustments, which could be a bit hands-on for beginners. Next, AMZCHEF commercial laundry cart with wheels. This heavy-duty laundry cart offers a massive 400-liter capacity, a sturdy stainless steel frame, and can hold up to 330 pounds of laundry. It comes with a removable waterproof Oxford cloth liner and smooth, silent wheels for easy maneuverability, whether you're using it at home, in a hotel, or even a hospital. This cart is built for convenience and durability. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: a huge 400L capacity, perfect for large loads and heavy-duty use. Sturdy stainless steel frame and durable waterproof liner. Silent wheels with 360-degree swivel for easy maneuverability. Cons: may be too large for home use in smaller spaces. Requires assembly, which could be a hassle for some users. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comment about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.